this video, we'll explore some of the most promising AI business ideas that are already generating millions but remain relatively under the radar. While many discuss using AI tools like ChatGPT to make money, actionable steps are often lacking. Together, we'll dive into these opportunities and learn how to bring them to life. First up is TikTok Shop, which allows us to sell products directly on the platform, merging content creation with affiliate marketing. To get started, we should choose high-demand items with strong profit margins, sourcing them from large e-commerce sites or niche stores. Creating engaging content is crucial. We can find popular TikTok reviews and use transcription tools like TalkScript to convert these videos to text. Then we can rewrite the script using AI tools like Claude. When it comes to production, we can either record the script ourselves to build trust or utilize AI text-to-video tools like Fliki or Invideo for seamless, faceless video creation. Next, for those passionate about design, Apply Design offers an exciting way to monetize creativity. By uploading photos of empty real estate spaces, we can transform them into beautifully staged designs. This service can be marketed to real estate agents, allowing us to charge around $500 per project, helping them sell homes faster without the costs associated with physical staging. Another opportunity lies in becoming a social media producer. This role is perfect for individuals who love social media, but prefer to support others behind the scenes. Tasks such as editing videos, creating thumbnails, script writing, and coordinating podcast guests can all be streamlined with AI tools, enabling us to partner with micro-influencers or aspiring creators efficiently. Moving on to AI-led dropshipping, this model simplifies selling products without managing inventory, thanks to AI tools. By using AutoDS, we can automate product sourcing and management, importing trending items from platforms like Amazon and eBay into our Shopify store. To get started, we simply create a Shopify store, connect it to AutoDS, and curate a selection of niche products to maximize our profits. Next, Print on Demand allows us to design unique products, such as t-shirts or wall art, while platforms like Gelato handle printing, selling, and delivery. Using creative tools like Midjourney, we can design stunning visuals, upload them to Gelato, and let the platform manage logistics, making this a hands-off model ideal for creative entrepreneurs. Another lucrative avenue is AI grant writing. With over 1.5 million nonprofits in the U.S., the demand for grant writers is high. By leveraging tools like ChatGPT, we can draft professional grants with detailed prompts, making it easier for beginners to enter this rewarding field. Finally, as an AI consultant, we can help individuals and businesses navigate the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Our role would involve recommending the right tools and teaching clients how to implement solutions effectively. Given the fast growth of the AI space, our expertise becomes a valuable asset for those eager to stay ahead of the curve. Join us as we explore these innovative business ideas and learn how to turn them into reality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.